Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys Tecno shortcut setting, and today video title is guys how to use Tecno real time network speed setting. Friends, you want to check your device real time network speed setting on status bar. So how to check and how to use this setting one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your device phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. Friends, in your device, open your phone Wi-Fi setting and you have mobile data. So on your mobile data and connect Wi-Fi network. You don't have mobile data. So friends, I will connect Wi-Fi network. After connect Wi-Fi network friends, click here connect option. Wi-Fi network will connect. And friends, you can check Wi-Fi network speed. You cannot check on your status bar. So friends, again open your device phone setting. After on phone setting friends, open your phone display brightness setting. After on display brightness setting friends, last option friends, click here status bar network speed setting. And after on friends, you can check network speed will show on status bar, and you can check your real time network speed on status bar. So friends, example we will on YouTube app, and friends you can check real time network speed on status bar. Right side friends, you can check. So like that friends, we can check real time network speed on status bar. So I hope friends you understood how to show network speed, how to use real time network speed in Tecno mobile. And friends, if you off real time network speed setting, your network speed setting, so friends you cannot check network speed on status bar. If you click here, network speed will remove from status bar, you cannot check. You want to use, right click here, you can check network speed. And if you offline, as you are offline, so you cannot use network speed setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.